Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar, Conan Gray. Yes, he released new songs recently. This is one of them, Do I Dare. And before we go on with this tutorial, I dare to showcase you the new channel here, Growing Guitar 6 Strings Ago. I have a secondary one, and that is a channel where I'll play a full song for you from the beginning till the very end with chords shown on the screen. You just play along and follow and learn a song from A to Z. That is something I want to highlight for you guys, so please support me at that channel. Growing Guitar 6 Strings Ago now. Do I Dare? Conan Gray. Let's go into this tutorial. Cape on second, absolute best scenario in my opinion, easiest chords possible for this song. And with that we have 5 different chords and a variation of 2 regarding the A chord. Anyway, we'll come to that, but the setup here is important. Second fret, capo. Let's go over the chords. We're gonna start with E, and that goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Then we have the G sharp, and that's a bar chord. You place the index finger on this 4th fret, and you push down all strings there, and then you need to add 6 on A and 6 on D. We also have the C sharp minor. The G sharp minor was the last one, just learned that. And now we had the C sharp minor, another bar, again on the 4th fret. This time you don't have to push down the last E string in the bass, but the 5 strings below necessary. And then you need to add 6 on D, 6 G, and 5th B. So that's the C sharp minor. And then we have the A, and that is the chord I talked about. We have 2 versions of it. We have this one without any bar, so it's open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. And then we have the bar version with index finger as a bar on the 5th fret, push down all strings there. Then you need to add 7 on A, 7 D, and 6 G. And finally we have the B, a bar on the 2nd fret, 5 strings from bottom up like this. Then you need to add 4th D, 4th G, and 4th B. Alright, so let's go into the strumming now, learn it with E, and one string round goes like this. So it's first 1 down, and then down, up, down, up. That's it. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so the song starts with the verse play, and you're gonna play E, 2 string rounds, then C sharp minor 2, G sharp minor 2, then A 2, and F sharp minor 2. So that is how you play the verse play. So E, G sharp minor, A, and F sharp minor. And regarding the A, you can play either this without any bar or this with a bar, and it's up to you to choose there, because when you come from this G sharp minor, maybe it's very convenient to just slide up to this 5th fret bar and have that A instead of going like this. It's up to you, it's your choice. It sounds the same pretty much. You can choose either go with this bar version or the standard without. So just have that in mind. One round goes like this. And that's it for the verse play. Then we have the chorus, and it's very similar. The E 2, and instead of playing G sharp minor 2, we now have the C sharp minor 2, and that's the only difference. So C sharp instead of G sharp. Then we have the A and F, 2 string rounds per chord, goes like this. And that is also played for the 2nd verse later on, and everything in front of, from this point and forward, is played with the C sharp minor instead of G sharp minor. But then we have one exception, and that is the bridge part at 2 minutes and 36 seconds in, Do I Dare. That's where on the lyrics as well. Now you're gonna play this B, you're gonna play 4 string rounds of that, then F sharp minor 4, then you repeat that again, B4 and F sharp minor 4, and then you play A4 and F sharp minor 4, and that's it. So B minor, B 4 F sharp minor 4 2 times, and then A 4 F sharp minor 4, like this. And then you go back into the main E, C sharp, A, and F sharp. And that's how we roll it, guys. Do I Dare, Conan Gray. Nice song. Fits guitar very well, so give it a shot. 5 chords, that's it. So, hope you have a nice one with this tutorial. And yeah, again, I just want to highlight my second YouTube channel. Helps me a lot if you can go in there and subscribe, and yeah, just make yourself comfortable. We have a couple uploads at this point, and the mission here is to grow that channel as well. Completely different way of educating you guys. So yeah, Gordon Guitar 6 years ago. Go check that one out. Hope to see you soon. Play tuned.